Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, starting on the 4-hour chart, where we are looking of course at our wave 4 after an impulse with a wave C. Your wave 4 is an A, a B and a C. After this wave 4 we are looking at triple 1-2s of course, and looking for higher prices. And of course, as we can see, a massive wave 3 towards the upside, where we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Finishing a wave 3, of course, in the white scenario, where you have 1, 2, 3, and then a B, and a C, or WXY. Actually, we're gonna see it exactly in the 1-hour chart. We have a WXY for a wave 4. After this WXY is finished, of course, we would like to have a wave 5 in the white scenario, and then of course continuation 4, 5, 4, 5 for the double 1-2s that we have in the beginning as well. So in that case scenario, you would like to see a little bit what's going on inside the 1-hour chart, of course, where we are looking here at a very long range for a wave 4, of course, after this massive wave towards the upside, which is the most explosive wave 3. Now after that, you would like to have here 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then of course a triangle for a wave Y. In your wave Y, of course, you would like to have an A, B, C, and then D, and then E. We have explained yesterday this in the last video, of course, that this triangle might take more or less time, right, to finish. However, it is very obviously that this is a triangle. But yeah, it can extend, of course, in time, because as we said, this might be a very spam wick or fake wick here, where we can consider the bottom of the triangle can start from here somewhere, and here we go. We start to see somehow some retracement from that triangle here exactly, where we are looking at 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then of course this is 1 wave C towards the downside, where you did not took the high yet and invalidate this wave B, so everything's still looking perfect. Now the thing is that this is considered 1 wave towards the downside, which is a wave C, and of course you would like to have a wave D towards the upside as a impulse, correction, and then impulse. Now your wave D should not, of course, as well take the high of your wave B right here at 102,000. So preferably that your wave D is still ranging inside as this triangle until you get finally your wave E, and then explosion towards the upside. Now yesterday, of course, we have thought that, okay, we might have finished here even like a wave C, where you start to see here a wave D, and then your wave E goes even a little bit down and start to move up. But yeah, this was not the case scenario. That's why triangles are always very, very tricky and dangerous. And of course, I never trade them. However, a nice signal was given here, but suddenly a lot of sellers as well entered there before taking the high. So that was like not really nice to see, but of course we have an extended triangle right now with a wave C towards the downside. So if we take a look on the KGT, as you can see here is your triangle as A, B, C, and then a D, and then E for yesterday. But the wave E took the low directly. So it was obviously that this triangle was not finished yet. And as you can see here, after having like probably finished triangle, we start to see a lot of accumulation of buyers in this area, starting from this point. And of course, I mean, it was a nice trade to take it from here, of course, but it would be nicer if it has continued. So yeah, we start to see at this point, of course, before taking the high, we start to see some sellers coming in. However, right now, the scenario is that we have, of course, a clear divergence for the price action, and of course between the CVDs. And we already looking, of course, for a little bit higher anyway for a wave D, but you don't see yet any kind of buyers accumulation in green, as we can see here. So once we start to see some accumulation for buyers, for example, even on the 5 minutes, okay, we start to get some buy signal probably, and but it is from there anyway. But yeah, we would like to see some green here, for example, to start to see some buyers entering, of course, the market, and confirmation, of course, for a wave D. However, this is still, of course, as I said, a triangle, and you cannot trust it so much, of course, with trading. So probably better to, once it is finished, get a confirmation and then moving towards the upside. However, don't forget that we are in a correction, and of course, after a correction, you would like to see, of course, continuation of the trend. So whatever it happens here, it doesn't matter. We're gonna continue towards the upside. So that is, of course, just to make it simpler and easier for a longer term trade. So yeah, so these are the things, guys. Now we are looking, of course, to finish this wave 4. So I think this wave 4 in yellow is still very, very early to call. So I'm gonna remove the time for it right now until we finish, of course, the wave 5. Then we take the time based on the top here, of course. So yeah, basically that's it for a Bitcoin price prediction for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments and like. If you would like to have KGT as well, all the details are in the description below. Thank you. Bye bye.